Okay, Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. So now we look at the concept of euploidy or polyploidy. So firstly, what is polyploidy? It is the change in number for the whole set of chromosome. Maksudnya bila berlaku perubahan dari segi the set of chromosome, the whole set of the chromosome, so that one we call as polyploidy. So example, di sini saya bagi if the cell is diploid or 2n, maksudnya kalau kita tengok based on this diagram, dekat sini chromosome set dia ada 5 chromosome, which is chromosome number 1, chromosome number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So means that in each of this chromosome set, it has 2 chromosome. Bila setiap chromosome set dia ada 2 chromosome, so this one kita consider sebagai diploid. But what happen if the cell is triploid or 3n? So kalau kita tengok di sini, in each of its chromosome set, it has 3 chromosome. Maksudnya chromosome number 1 ada 3 chromosome, number 2 ada 3 chromosome, number 3 3 chromosome, number 4 3 chromosome and number 5 also 3 chromosome. So this one yang kita panggil sebagai polyploidy. Kalau berlaku changes for the whole set of the chromosome here, so yang ni adalah polyploidy. So for polyploidy, it will be divided into two. The first one we call as autopolyploidy. The second one is allopolyploidy. So what is autopolyploidy? It is a condition to produce autopolyploid with more than 2 set of chromosome derived from the single or the same species. Maksudnya bila berlaku changes for the chromosome, for the whole set of the chromosome, okay, or a condition to produce autopolyploid with more than 2 set of chromosome derived from single species or same species, that one we call as autopolyploidy. Tapi apa beza dengan allopolyploidy? It is a condition to produce allopolyploid with more than 2 set of chromosome derived from 2 or more species or from the different species. Okay, so secara ringkas, kalau autopolyploidy, dia akan melibatkan spesies yang sama. Kalau untuk allopolyploidy, dia akan melibatkan spesies yang berbeza. Okay. Okay, so now we look at the example of autopolyploidy. So how autopolyploidy can be formed? Okay, one of it because there is an unreduced gamete fertilized with another unreduced gamete from the diploid cell. Okay, so the keywords here, dia mesti kena berlaku dalam spesies yang sama. So let's say if the parent is 2n, fertilized also with the same species parent which is also 2n. So, bila berlaku proses meiosis, it will produce gamete. So, this gamete is unreduced. Unreduced means dia maintain diploid number. Same as the second parent. Also maintain the diploid number. Okay, so what happen when fertilization is occur? So, it will produce F1 which is 4n. So, 4n here we consider this is tetraploid. So maksudnya dia dah berlaku changes in the whole set of the chromosome. Daripada diploid, it will change to tetraploid. Okay, so what is the difference with allopolyploidy? Okay, kalau allopolyploidy tadi kita discuss, it is a condition, okay, when the whole set of the chromosome is changed, but it will involve 2 different species. So let's say dekat sini kita ada species A and also species B. So species A, it is 2n equal to 6. Species B, it is 2n equal to 4. So, when meiosis is occur to produce gametes, species A will produce n equal to 3. Species B will produce n equal to 2. So, di sini saya bezakan dari segi warna kromosom. Since dia datang daripada species yang berbeza, so let's say for species A, kromosom dia saya beri warna hitam. Untuk species B, kromosom dia warna hijau. So, untuk species A, dia ada kromosom 1, 2 and 3. For species B, it has chromosome 1 and 2. Okay, so remember, 1 and 2, dia bukan homologous chromosome. Dia adalah kromosom yang berbeza ataupun kita panggil sebagai non-homologous chromosome. So, when fertilization is occur between gametes from species A and also species B, it will produce hybrid C. So, hybrid C is n plus n equal to 5. Okay, so here, hybrid ni maksudnya adalah the result from the fertilization between 2 different species. So the offspring here we call as hybrid. Okay, so hybrid is sterile. Kenapa sterile? Because homologous chromosome cannot pair. Apa yang kita maksudkan sebagai homologous chromosome cannot pair? Macam yang saya dah tunjuk tadi, untuk species A, dia ada 3 kromosom. Kromosom 1, 2 and 3. While species B, it has 2 kromosom. So, altogether, dia ada 5 kromosom. Tetapi, kromosom 1 and 2 yang warna hitam, dia tak boleh pair together sebab dia bukan homologous chromosome. Samalah juga dengan kromosom 1 yang black color and also kromosom 1 yang green color, dia juga tak boleh pair sebab dia bukan homologous chromosome. So that's why this one, we considered the hybrid C is sterile. So how the sterile hybrid can form fertile hybrid? So it will undergo a process that we call as doubling chromosome. So what is doubling chromosome? Bila berlaku doubling chromosome, so it will produce hybrid D. So hybrid D is fertile. Okay, which is 2n equal to 10. Maksudnya awak just darabkan dengan 2. Tapi secara konsepnya, kenapa dia boleh jadi fertile? Because of what? Chromosome number 1 will double into another chromosome 1. Chromosome 2 will double into another chromosome 2. Chromosome 3 will double into chromosome 3. This one untuk yang black color. Untuk yang green color pun sama. It will double. So, chromosome number 1 ada 2. Chromosome number 2 pun akan ada 2. So, that's why homologous chromosome can pair.